Hello guys, if you wanted to work in Google, Amazon, Facebook or other big companies, then you should definitely watch this video till end. You might watch many videos regarding this topic. I am sure none of them will tell the importance of learning these languages. After referring to so many books, websites, articles, real-time graphs, now I am going to share with you the most popular and three important languages with frameworks. Without wasting any time, let me introduce myself. My name is Ravant. Welcome to my channel Be Anonymous. In the third place, we have C++. As we learned, old is gold. The perfect example is C language. As C is one of the old languages, but it is still popular in this time too. You can see the growth of C++ for last few years. The two most famous operating systems, Windows and Mac OS, are made up of these languages only. And YouTube, Microsoft, these are regularly used by many millions of people every day. And do you know, these are also made with these C languages only. If you want to become a system developer or want to design any browser or create any browser and wanted to learn the database softwaring system like MySQL, then you should definitely learn the C++ languages. And some of the top companies hiring these C developers are Nokia, PayPal and NICE. And the average income of a C developer is in between 7 lakhs to 8 lakhs per annum.
In the second place, we have Java programming language. If you want to create an app, you need to learn Java. If you want to create a website, you need to learn Java. Java, Java, Java. Java is one of the famous programming language. And you know the most popular websites or apps like Spotify, Twitter, Signal and Cash apps are made up of Java only. Some of the applications of Java are you can build a mobile application, desktop GUI application, web-based application, cloud-based application too. And you can see the growth of Java for last few years. Some top companies which are hiring the Java developers are IBM, HCL and General Motors. The Java is little bit a tough language, but I am sure if you learn, you will earn more. And Java developer earns an average of $69,722 per annum. In number one position, we have Python programming language. If you are a beginner, want to start a programming language, then I recommend you to start with Python because Python is very easy language. And simply I will say the Python is everything. You can do anything in Python. For suppose if you want to do a web development, you have Flask and Django in Python. You will learn from it. If you can do a game development simply by using the Pygame, you can learn the machine learning and artificial intelligence, data science and data visualization using the famous frameworks like Jupyter's and many more. And when I come to the graph, you can see the growth of Python for last few years. And you know, the apps which you and me and millions of people use every day, the YouTube, Google, Instagram, Reddit and Quora, they all works under the Python coding only. And the far most of the companies hiring the Python programmers. You can see the Google, IBM, Cisco, Bank of America and Tech Mahindra all are hiring the Python programmer. And the average income of an Python programming is around $120,365 per annum. Now we came to end of the video. If you compare these three languages, you can see the Python is growing every day. So better to choose the Python languages. Also, you can choose Java and C languages too. These three are most important and famous languages. And for startup, these are the main languages we can say. And if you want to grow with us and if you want to learn much more things, you can follow us in Telegram and you can follow us in Instagram too. And don't forget to like and share and subscribe our channel.
Peace.